Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We're starting it off with Dixie on a daily time frame. Now, off of yesterday's daily close, I can say that today we might look for a little bit more downside, probably into that 102.50, 102.60 area. Now, if we get to this area and we hold, that would be great. This inverse head and shoulder will still be valid if we can hold that neckline at around 102.50, and then we can go sideways, accumulate, and then try again for a higher. The main point of stopping here is to make it a higher low in the sequence of ups and downs. If we have that higher low, we can look to accumulate here and then make a new higher high, and it will officially be a break of trend. And we can say, hey, downside is over. We went and sideways consolidate, and now the uptrend has begun. So somewhat in this fashion. So this was a low, this was a high, this was a low, which was a lower low. This is a lower high. What we want is a higher low. And then once we come into this level, we will be breaking out to make a higher high above this level. And then you can say that this whole accumulation is rounding bottom is over with the little inverse head and shoulder, which was right here, if you didn't see it. And then you could look for upside from there. So that is what I'm looking for on Dixie. Let's see how that plays out. Today we will be getting the Federal Reserve interest rate either pause or increase with language after that explaining what they plan on doing for July and going to the end of the year. And then tomorrow we have ECB doing their interest rate. And then Friday we have Japan doing their interest rate. And Japan is the only country that has not increased interest rates this entire tightening cycle. So if they do it, we should probably feel a little bit of an effect into the other markets, so be aware. Now we're looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame. As you can see, as Dixie has been getting the leg down, Bitcoin has been looking like it's trying to hold this support here, and it's starting to make higher lows, showing you that possibly we can accumulate here and test up into 26,500-ish. Until we have a 4-hour open and close above 26,500, I'm not even looking for the next target of 27,350, but that would be the next target after that 4-hour open and close above 26.5. And then after that, we can look for the next level of resistance over here at 28,350. So we have 1,000, 1,000, and 1,000. $3,000 moves to the upside. If we lose this 25,200, 25,300, we're gonna have that same $1,000 drop here, maybe to 25. Sorry, to 23,500 ish, and then maybe like 22,000 around there. Between 23 and 22 is where I'm looking for the first bounce level, and that is by looking left to the order block over here. Okay, so I'm looking for something around 23 to 22,000 low, and then from there, if we lose that level, then obviously we're going to be going to that 19,500, the previous low that we had on the sell-off with Binance and whatnot. So just be ready for those levels moving forward. We're gonna be testing them now, and then it will probably be a very short test, because if the daily candles don't close underneath these major levels, then we'll just tap into it, take the liquidity, and go right back up and close the daily above the other levels that I've mentioned before. So be aware of the trickery that's going to be happening today when the Federal Reserve announces their interest rate plan. As you can see right now on a 4-hour time frame, it looks like we're trailing on up, but in my opinion, this is a possible bear flag in the making. And then you can come and test up and then actually break down into the lower levels. So just be aware of that, that if you can't get that 4-hour open and close above 26,500, that you're going to be possibly rolling over into the lower levels. And yeah, 26,500 is what I was looking for. So I'm going to delete these doodles, and then let's go to Ethereum on a daily time frame. And I would say that today your warning for downside will come as soon as you lose 25,600 on a 4-hour open and close. Then you pretty much are, the downside is coming. And if you get above 26,000 with a 4-hour open and close, look into 26.2, 26.3, and then once you get up past that with hourly open and closes, you're pretty much in the clear for the higher level of 27. So that's all I gotta say for that. Let's go to a Ethereum on a daily. Here's ETH on a daily. We are filling out the bottom level of the consolidation very nicely. Here's a 200 EMA at 1720, holding very nicely until we have a 4-hour open and close underneath 1715. I'm not looking for those lower levels of 1540 or 1400. But as of right now, we probably are going to be testing into that 1800, low 1800, 1815 level. If we get the upside today as Dixie gets downside, this will be the first level of testing. And then once we have a 4-hour open and close above 1810, I would be looking for the next level, which is around 1895. And then we can look for 2000 and whatnot. So keep in mind of that moving forward. If we have the daily close underneath 1715 today, it'll be very bad. As long as we're holding above it, we can go test into that $1800, $1810 level into the new daily candle open. Now here's the 4-hour time frame, stating the same thing. You're gonna have a really big battle over here at 1760. So that will be your first warning sign that hey, upside is coming quickly. A 4-hour open and close above 1765, and then you can test into the 1785 and then 1810, the target that we're looking for on the daily. But it's gonna be it can be a choppy battle, like up like this. So just be prepared for that kind of consolidation in this breakout from this level if we get it the way that we were speaking of. Nothing is for certain, but the possibility of this breaking out as Dixie gets a slap down is there. So just keep in mind of that moving forward. Aside from that, guys, that's pretty much all I have for today. I will be going live 8:30 a.m. Eastern on the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that help this channel grow. So thank you so much. If you guys are interested in joining me there, feel free. If not, just leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notification. Leave me a comment in the section below letting me know how I'm doing or if there's anything I can improve on. And then, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. So be safe for the Fed thing today, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.